Abby from AhHa Broadway, back with our 2-minute acting tips. We're still digging into the who, what, where, when, and why. Today, we're on when. Now, you might think this is another simple answer, but really this might take a little bit of research. When in time is the piece that you're performing based in? Now, for instance, that could be in the past, it could be in the present, it could be in the future. Knowing when in time is going to completely change your delivery. If something was set way back in the 1800s, the way we stand, certainly the way we're going to dress, and the way we speak would be very different. So we need to do a little bit of research. If something is in the present and we say, oh, I'm doing a TikTok, right? I'm on my social media. That may not apply if something was set in the past. We have different body languages when we're standing in different eras. So knowing just the timing of it, it can really change your delivery on it. You also need to know when in the story your scene or action takes place. Is it in the beginning of the show, the middle of the show, or the end of the show? Now you might ask, why is that important? Well, the beginning is our introduction. That's our setup of our story. We're introducing characters that may or may not come back in the show. If it's in the middle, that's usually when the conflict of the show is. Every story has a beginning, conflict, and resolution. And you guessed it, if your scene is at the end of the show, it's going to be part of the resolution to that conflict. So knowing how or when you're in there knows what part you actually play in telling the story. And remember, our job as an actor, tell the story. And knowing when is going to help you do it more effectively. Bye, guys.